Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check which graphics card is installed in your Windows PC or laptop. This works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10, and I'll show you multiple methods so you can use whichever one you prefer. You might want to check your graphics card to see if your system meets the requirements for a game, to troubleshoot performance issues, or if you're planning to upgrade your GPU. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen, then click on Settings. If you don't see it right away, just type Settings in the search bar and open it. Once Settings opens, click on System from the left-hand menu. Now scroll down and click on About. In this section, you'll see an overview of your device specifications. Depending on your system, you may see your graphics information listed here. If you want more detailed GPU information, let's move to the second method. Click on the Start button again, or use the search bar at the bottom. Type Device Manager, then click to open it. When Device Manager opens, look for display adapters in the list. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the section. Here, you'll see the name of your graphics card. For example, it might say something like NVIDIA GeForce RTX, AMD Radeon, or Intel Graphics. In some cases, your PC may have two graphics cards. For example, in my case, my computer has Intel UHD graphics and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. This usually means your system uses integrated graphics, like Intel UHD for basic tasks to save power, and a dedicated graphics card, like the RTX 4060, for gaming or heavy applications. And that's it. Now you know how to check which graphics card, or graphics cards, are installed on your Windows PC or laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tech guides.